Das Haus Pavilion is a mobile exhibition pavilion demonstrating renewable energy and energy efficiency technology from Germany. The project is being conducted here in the US and in Canada as part of the German-Canadian Chamber Network as well as the German-American Chamber of Commerce Network. It's on a 12-city North American tour. White Plains is stop number 9.
We're very pleased and proud that Das Haus has selected White Plains to be a display city, and I'm looking forward to all the excitement it's going to create in our city for energy conservation. Energy is one of the world's great challenges, as everyone knows, and I think to some extent in America we're a little late to the game because we've been spoiled. But in Europe there's always been a challenge with energy, and that has been a reason for innovation. And certainly Germany is a leader in that area, from green roofs to stormwater capture and reuse, solar electricity generation, and all of these things are brought to bear here in this house. We all now know that energy conservation and environmental issues are global concerns. It's an area where we should all be working together. So in this small way, I'm happy that the City of White Plains is working with Germany to move forward in those areas.
Today I'm proud to participate in presenting to you Das Haus, an exhibition that shows latest German technology in renewable and energy efficiency solutions. German industry has always had a strong record in this field. A highly industrialized country with ambitious environmental standard is bound to be in the forefront of any technological development in saving and producing clean energy. In 2011 alone, the newly added photovoltaic capacity amounted to 7,500 megawatts. This equals the power generation of more than 6 nuclear power plants. Energy efficiency is the biggest untapped energy resource worldwide. The building sector accounts for 25% of total energy use in Germany. In the US, the figure stands at 41%. Imagine the potential for energy conservation. The exhibition we are opening today will address some of these issues. It proves that sustainable housing with a low energy consumption is possible and affordable. It shows what an innovative industry can achieve. It's up to you to judge whether the answers that Germany is giving to these problems are viable. These answers stem from long-term policies that in some respects do not pay off quickly. I am confident, however, that time will show that we did the right thing. Thank you very much.
The international community as a whole continue to face significant challenges in the 21st century. And two of these challenges are climate change and increased energy demand. Das Haus is a perfect example of interdisciplinary collaboration with academia, as well as between academia and industry. Das Haus was developed at the Technical University of Darmstadt by Professor Hegger and his students, and as well as his colleagues.
Pleased to welcome you all to Das Haus. Over the past year, this pavilion has traveled around the U.S., from Atlanta to San Francisco to Montreal and a lot of places in between. And we're happy to finally be here in White Plains, a community that understands the need for sustainable growth and sustainable buildings. Today we're here to present an example of what can be achieved through thoughtful planning of efficient building systems and renewable energy. As you walk around today, you're going to notice that most of what you see here doesn't look very futuristic. Sure, there are solar panels on the roof and on the window blinds, but what's more important is the smart use of natural ventilation, efficient appliances, and well-designed insulation. It's only through the combination of these systems that the building to my right is able to produce as much energy as it consumes, making it a passive house. Technology is there. It's proven, and it's affordable. But we can only have a true transition to sustainable buildings if everyone is aware of the options. And that's why, thanks to the support of the German Federal Ministry of Economics and Technology, we're here in White Plains to raise awareness about the opportunity to save energy and money now through smart investments into the renewable energy and energy systems that are ready for your buildings.